In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently clean up and manage your Google Drive storage by permanently deleting unnecessary files. We'll take a step-by-step approach to ensure everything is crystal clear, so let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Once there, you'll need to log in using your Google account credentials. If you're not logged in already, just enter your email and password to gain access. It's important to make sure you're in the right account if you have multiple Google accounts, so double check that before proceeding. Once you're at your Google Drive homepage, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll find various options to explore your drive, but today we're focused on clearing out storage, so click on Storage. This option will display all the contents of your drive in a single list. By viewing everything at once, you can more easily select multiple files for deletion. This view is incredibly helpful for getting an overview of what's taking up space. With all your files and folders in view, it's time to select everything you want to clean out. On a Windows computer, you'll do this by pressing Ctrl+A. If you're on a Mac, you'll use Command+A for the same purpose. This shortcut highlights all the files and folders currently visible in your drive, preparing them for the next step. Now that everything is highlighted, right-click anywhere on the selected files. From the context menu that appears, choose Remove. At this point, all the selected files will move to your trash. Keep in mind that moving files to the trash doesn't actually free up your storage space yet. The files are still just one step away from being permanently deleted, so let's take care of that next. This brings us to a crucial part of the process, emptying your trash to fully clear space. Navigate back to the left-hand menu and click on Trash. In the Trash folder, you'll want to select all the files again using Ctrl+A for Windows or Command+A for Mac. Then right-click on the selection and choose Delete Forever from the menu. It's important to be aware that this action cannot be undone. Once these files are deleted forever, they're gone from your drive. Make sure to double-check what you're deleting to avoid removing anything you still need. And there you have it, a clear and efficient method to clean up your Google Drive by deleting files permanently. Clearing out unnecessary files helps keep your storage organized and ensures that your space is available for important documents and projects in the future. Thanks for watching.